Need to change your TikTok email address on your iPhone? Well, don't panic, folks. This is not a big task for you. Just watch this video till the end, because in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to change your email address on your TikTok account. So, let's get started. First, open up the TikTok app. Then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three lines icon from the top right corner. Now tap Settings and Privacy. After that, tap Account. Next, tap Account Information. Then tap Email. Now tap Change Email. Now TikTok will send a 6-digit verification. Enter your new email address here, and then hit Continue to your new email address. Enter the code here, and your email address has been changed. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.